It says you must have an account linked to the check button on this card. That's why. That's why it's not a savings, it's a check account, not a savings account.
Well, it shouldn't be. I didn't open the thing as a check account. I opened it as a savings account.
No, they didn't
God,
do that.
they're hopeless as Westpac. They really are. You're as bad as a Commonwealth. Can't get anything right.
Believe me now?
Yeah, but I'm just saying it shouldn't be a check account.
Well, it is.
That's not what I opened. I opened a savings account.
Then you may as well complain to them yourself.
When I opened that, you weren't old enough to qualify for a check account.
And look what they did. They put in the check account, didn't they?
Yeah. Comedians. Oh, our professionals can do this, and our professionals can do all the illustrations, and $1. If the illustrations will all ready to be done, it will be all ready to publish. You will get the complete manuscript. Illustrations and all. Oh, but our professional.
The National Weather Service in Woodridge has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wide Bay, South Central Queensland, and Burnett District, South Central Queensland. Issued at 12:21 a.m. Thursday, October 11, 2018. Severe thunderstorms are likely to produce damaging winds in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations which may be affected include Bundaberg, South Central Queensland, Hervey Bay Waters, South Central Queensland, Monto, South Central Queensland, Childers, South Central Queensland, and Gingin, South Central Queensland. While thunderstorms are continuing in the Capricornia district, they are no longer severe and warning for this district is cancelled. The situation in this district will continue to be monitored. Queensland Fire and Emergency Services advises that people should move your car under cover or away from trees. Secure loose outdoor items. Seek shelter, preferably indoors and never under trees, and to stay away from windows. Avoid using the telephone during a thunderstorm. Beware of fallen trees and power lines, and for emergency assistance, contact the SES on 132 500. Next warning is to be issued at 3:25 a.m. Warnings are also available through TV and radio broadcasts. The Bureau's website at www.bom.gov.au or call 1300 659 219. The Bureau and Queensland Fire and Emergency Services will appreciate warnings being broadcast regularly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until further notice for the following areas in South Central Queensland: Bundaberg, Hervey Bay Waters, Monto, Childers and Gingin. I had to do it, guys. I just had to. I couldn't take it anymore.